friends, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing video for you, and in the meantime while I speak, I'm just giving you something pretty to look at. Yeah, this is my desk setup. This is my workstation per se. Okay, I decided that I needed a new Decorate Your Life stamp. Anywho, without further ado, I received my stamp. I think I paid something like $3 and change, okay? And I've never seen a stamp like this. I've never used a stamp like this because basically the type of stamp that I would use is the one that you put it on the stamp block, you know, you dab it in your stamp pad and then you stamp, right? Okay, well, I don't think this works like so, okay? But I've never worked with a stamp like it. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing. And the reason why I'm doing this unboxing is because I thought I would show this, you know, something mundane like a stamp to you, is because a lot of you do, sell out of Etsy or have your own websites and even do a lot of, I don't want to say trades, swaps. Yes, swaps. And so, you know, if you're in the market for something like this, what does it say here? Oh, it's Asian. I don't understand. And so, yeah, if you're in the market for one of these, I'm going to go ahead and leave you my affiliate code and the link, and it's a code that you get like an extra something percentage off, you know, for ordering like the first time. So I don't know how this works. Ooh, there's a little dab here that says, well, it doesn't say anything. What am I supposed to do with this? How does this work? Like I said, this looks like a drawer pull. Okay, so, ooh, alrighty, so let me take my handy dandy bill envelopes and just kind of like, I wonder if there's any, let's just go ahead and do this. See if that works. Okay, it says, it's supposed to say made just for you, decorateyourlife.com, but it's kind of blurry, like, let me see, maybe I did it too. There we go, better. Alrighty, so I guess you're not supposed to, see, that one reads better, right? Made just for you, decorateyourlife.com. Yeah, I like this. This, I just pressed a little bit too hard, but this one just pressed lightly, and you got it. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I think these are supposed to be leaves from what I remember, but I like that. Made just for you, decorateyourlife.com. Because, yeah, the other ones would just say decorate your life, and this one I wanted to say .com, you know, to point to the website. So, yeah, this is all I had to share with you. Okay, be on the lookout for a new video coming soon. I'm going to try to upload a video tomorrow on a project share, and we will take it from there. Okay, have a wonderful weekend, everybody, and visit my website. There's a huge sale going on, and if you received an email from me pertaining to sale, trust me, you want to open that email. Okay, hint, hint. Bye now.